3, 2, 1. I got it. I got it. It's time to open this, everyone, because I love Disney. Hope you can see me. I got it. Come on. Yes. Okay. And what's this? Do 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 do. My friends are my power. Now I could truly be one with darkness. Aqua, you need help? From here on out, you have to go on your own now. What about the others? You've been here many times. In your dreams, your memories. Farewell. Fire. Did you not think for a second? But we don't even know who the traitor is yet. Trust no one but myself. You were gone a long time. What were you doing? Secret. I'm back. Oh yeah, guys. I got it. Do. Now then, that's enough showing off the boxes. Now, time for this. That's right. Get rid of all this. Unlock the game. Oh, March 28th. They better not screw us by saying, oh, it's March 28th. But you know what? We're going to move it forward. No, I think they actually are legit for this. So cool. I'm going to play this like crazy now. And this one, I can't wait to get this. But here, I want to show you something awesome. This I got ages ago. Yep, still have it in there. Never removed it. And I have the crummy North American copy of the game. May your hearts be your guiding key. I say it all the time. And now, this is what I got on September 2000, whatever. I have this for a long time. Huh. Still in Japanese, all the writing. I can't read Japanese. Careful. I love this world. Sora the Savior. I am Mushu. Dumbo. God, I wish I could read Japanese, but I can't. It's possible for me. Oh, I see. That's from Chain of Memories with the cards. Now, check this out. This way. Yep. That's the old Chain of Memories. You see up here, nominate. But let's get back to the main event. I'm going to try to figure out how to do a live stream next weekend because I have to do some family stuff. But I'm going to first play this for fun and see how it is. And whenever the time comes, I'll do a live stream. But everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Games, Movies, and Entertainment. And my other channel will be in the description. And also my link to my Twitter account will be in the description. Big Disneyland fan. And thank you. You guys are awesome. I'm going to play this now. Sora is the key. He will unlock everything and save the hearts of all those in darkness. So, Kingdom Hearts 3 will come right after this. 28th, it says it right there. To this set. Yep. Disney and Square-Enix. May your hearts be your guiding key. Oh yeah. And you will be the first one to be saved in Caves 3. Yep, thanks guys.